My name is Nurani Nimpuno. I'm the head of global engagement at LINX. LINX is one of the largest internet exchange points in the world. Internet exchange points, or IXPs, are hubs that interconnect networks. So basically it allows for the exchange of internet traffic in one location. LINX has built an internet exchange point in Accra. What it is an interconnection platform. And it interconnects all the major data centers in Accra. And that means that any network that sits at any of these data centers can not only interconnect through the exchange point platform and do public peering at the exchange with any other network, be it at the same data center or at another one. They can also interconnect in other ways through, for example, private VLANs or closed user groups with other networks in that metro area. Wherever we build exchange points, we need to be able to justify that to our members. And what we look at really is, can we do good in that community? Do we think that LINX entering that market will bring value? If we think that LINX entering the market will fragment that market, then we won't actually go into that market. Then obviously we also need to see if there's a need for an exchange point. Is there a community? Are there enough networks that actually could benefit from interconnecting at the exchange point? In places like Accra or Ghana, where there's such high transit costs, where the option of sending traffic through a third party is so high, the local networks can really benefit by keeping local traffic local and exchanging it over the internet exchange point, both in terms of cost, performance, latency. And we've seen in London that actually a lot of the African networks in Africa connect up to London. We think that we can serve them better by offering that local interconnection on the continent. In recent years, there have been a lot of data center investment. In order for a market to thrive and in order for an exchange point to do good, there need to be carrier neutral data centers. And we've seen an influx of those investments. LINX is a neutral IXP, which means that we will work with all data centers that have networks that want to interconnect in any metro area. So for us, we don't think that our role is there to benefit one or another particular data center. We are there to serve the entire ecosystem of network operators. Typically, any network that connects to the exchange point both gains value and brings value to that exchange point. We also hope to bring a lot of the international content providers to that local community, which means that local networks can access that content on the continent. So a strong exchange point is really one that has a diverse set of networks connected to it. And we also know that exchange points gather a lot of networks around them and allow those networks to exchange traffic on a neutral platform, but also to talk to each other, exchange information and knowledge. At LINX, we believe very strongly in that community and membership model. Wherever we go, we do capacity building workshops, training courses, and we also do events because we know that at those events, the local community will speak to each other and they will benefit from gaining knowledge and information from each other, as well as establishing interconnection between each other.